the geometric progression of 4, 8, and 16. All right, so we have been given these three terms, the first, the second, and third term. Yeah, so they are saying that find the geometric mean. All right, find the geometric mean. Oh, sorry, guys. Did I saying find the 11th term? My goodness, find the 11th term. Yeah, he's saying find the 11th term before we go to the mean. We find first the 11th term. So we have 11th term. So now let's talk about the 11th term. What do they mean by 11th term? So for the 11th term, what they mean is that what is the number under the geometric progression? What would be the number on the 11th term? Because on the first term we have 4, second term we have 8, third term we have 16. What about in the 11th term? What will be the number? So how to find the 11th term? You use the general formula for the nth term of a geometric progression. What is the general formula? We say nth term is equal to AR to the power n minus 1. This is for only geometric progression. It is different from arithmetic progression, okay? Because the general formula for arithmetic progression is nth term is equal to A plus, open bracket, n minus 1 d, okay? Where A is the first term, and n is the number of term, and d is the common difference. But with the geometric progression, A is still our first term, R is our common ratio. So GP, under GP, we have common ratio. Under AP, we have common difference. Okay, so how do we now find the 11th term? So before we find the 11th term, we need to know our common ratio. Because our first term, we know it. Our first term is 4. And the n, we know it. N is 11. Okay? So we need to find the common ratio. Now, the question is, how do you find the common ratio? So how to find the common ratio? You say R is equal to second term over first term. Or you can say third term over second term. You will still get the same common ratio. Don't forget to tap the screen, my good friends. Don't forget to tap the screen, don't forget. Then we say common ratio is equal to, our second term is 8. So we're going to say 8 over, our first term is 4. So now we're going to say 8 divided by 4, it is 2. So our common ratio is 2. Same thing, if we were to do this, it will be 16 over 8. 16 divided by 8, it is still 2. Alright, so our common ratio is 2. Now, since our common